Noah Maynard to the office, please. Noah Maynard office.
You get the chance to earn some extra points before the tardy bell goes off. For the first one, x equals 4. Next one. Good until the tardy bell goes off. Answer is 1. Last one until the tardy bell goes off. The buzzer already went off. The answer is -4. Here's the regular warm-up quiz.
I ain't meaning on that though. What?
You need to figure out what you have to multiply this x by to get x squared. X times x would be x squared, so put the x down. And now multiply x by each item here. So that'll be x squared plus 2x. Subtract, these cancel. -x minus 2x is going to be -3x. Drop the -6. You have to multiply x by -3 to get -3x, so we put -3 here, and multiply this by each of these items to come up with -3x minus 6. Everything cancels out. You do not have to put remainder 0, just x minus 3. Last one. Alright, for this problem you're going to need an x. So to get x squared minus x, these cancel out, and I'm left with -4x plus 4, so I need a -4 there to get -4x plus 4, which cancels out, so the answer is x minus 4. Homework check. So we have 8 here, and 8 have credit for homework, so that is 100%. If you have credit for your homework, whether it be a pass or you did it, you can pick a number from 1 to 20 and drop it off up here. If you get it right, it's worth 20 points. The winning number today is 11. Here's a fast multiple choice. Pick the letter of the correct answer in block letter form and just walk by and show it to me. On this one, 12 divided by 4 is going to be 3. You have x to the third over x to the first. Subtract them. X to the second. So it should be D. Here are the homework answers. Number 1 is x minus 8. Remainder 20. Number 2 is -2x plus 1. Remainder -8. 3 is 6x squared minus 31x plus 193. Remainder -1159. 4 is 2x to the third plus 11x squared plus 47x plus 232. Remainder 1162. 5 is -8x squared plus 3x minus 13. Remainder 16. 6 is 4x to the third minus 10x squared plus 25x minus 72. Remainder 209. 7 is x squared plus 10x plus 76. Remainder 606. And for number 8, 10x minus 35, remainder 129. Nine is x plus 9, remainder 21. 10 is 2x squared minus x minus 5, remainder 27. All you have to do is say the answer out loud. 18 18x to the third, yes.
2x to the second.
2x to the second.
2x to the third.
2x to the third.
10x to the seventh.
Yep.
5x to the 5x.
No,
No,
it's
5.
Just 5, yes.
2x to the first. Same thing. 16x to the fourth. 28x to the fourth. 4x to the second. 5x to the first.
Lottery for everybody. You have a test tomorrow over part of this objective, rewriting rational expressions, just dividing polynomials by binomials. Here's example 1. You have to tell me what to do. What's my first move in this problem?
Find how many times x can go into x squared.
Right, and that is what?
X.
That is x, yes. So we'll put an x there. What do I do with this x? Yeah, multiply it by x and then by 3, so I get x squared plus 3x. When I subtract, what's left?
The x squared cancel out.
Right, we have 5x left. Now what do I do?
Plus 15.
Plus 15, and what do I multiply this by to get this?
5.
5, so we put a plus 5 here, and what happens down here?
5x plus 15.
And what do I get?
Everything cancels out, so it's a remainder of 0, so it's x plus 5.
X plus 5, yeah. For the practice problem, you should have x to get x squared plus 8x, and when you subtract, you're left with negative 9x minus 56. And then you'll have to have a minus 9. So negative 9x minus 72 leaves you with a remainder of 16. Answer to the bonus should be 46. This one goes to the first 5. Answer is 63 on this bonus. Another lottery, 1 to 10. The winning number is 5.
Yes.
On the practice problem, you're going to need an x to get x squared minus 2x. When you subtract, you have negative 11x plus 22. A negative 11 will give you this and this. They will all cancel out.
Oh my God.
X minus 11.
No.
First 5 people. First 5. Answer is 120. Here's a fast multiple choice. Walk by with the block letter.
Oh, dang.
Answer should be B. On the practice problem, you need an x, or not an x, but you need a 4x squared to start with to get 4x to the third plus 16x squared. Subtract and be left with a negative 25x. Drop the x. You need a minus 25x to get a negative 25x squared. Minus 100x. That'll leave you with 101x. Drop the minus 3. And then you'll end up with plus 404. Remainder is negative 407.
What?
to the first 5.
Oh my.
The winning number is 6.